Ian, thank you so much for chatting to us today. Could you just start off by introducing yourself and the company that you work for?
Definitely, yes. My name's Ian Mawdsley. I'm the Chief Product Officer for Broadridge Trading and Connectivity Solutions, so formerly known as Itiviti, a recent acquisition by Broadridge.
Fantastic. So what are some of the challenges that Broadridge is focused on solving for its clients in 2023?
Well, certainly from a BTCS perspective in the front office, we're seeing clients that are looking for deeper integration into some of our existing solutions. I think our previous product was better known for its FIX integration layer. And I think now people are asking and saying, what else can they do with that integration? So we're seeing more of a push into high-touch, low-touch workflows, a lot of low-latency trading solutions, a little push into the middle office as well from the front office. Just a little bit, people trying to do a little bit more with the trading tools that we're giving them. We're also seeing a little diversification away from just pure agency and pure principal, and we're starting to see those lines blur a little bit as well. So a lot of people are coming to us because we're one of the few companies that can solve both sets of workflows.
Fantastic. Now, Broadridge acquired Itiviti in 2021, now known as Broadridge Trading and Connectivity Solutions, as you said. So how is this side of the business powering multi-asset trading and automating the entire trade life cycle?
Yeah, so I think the acquisition for Broadridge really was the fact that they were very much focused in the post-trade business. I think they're one of the largest players in equities, fixed income, post-trade, but there's never really been a way to go and capture more of that front office flow, so that's straight through processing. There are others obviously operating in that space, one or two very big incumbents. I think this was an opportunity to, first of all, get more into the front office and capture that flow. Secondly, probably increase the brand awareness internationally, so I think Broadridge has been very focused in the US, and the ability to now take on more of an internationally focused firm, particularly in EMEA with Itiviti. Conversely, for Itiviti, BTCS now, Broadridge brings the brand awareness globally. I think a little bit of stability and understanding that it's not a private equity firm, it is somebody investing in technology, and ultimately just the ability to bring some relationships that they've had post-trade with that we wouldn't have been able to get to on our own steam previously.
Fantastic. And what's in store for Broadridge Trading and Connectivity Solutions this year?
So we're due to imminently launch a product called Comms, which is going to be an extension of our FIX Bridge product, which is kind of our flagship product. Most of the big players in our industry tend to use our Bridge product. And we want to be able to bring more tools to the business user. So traditionally FIX has been very much something that's done at a technical level. I think what we're starting to realize that a lot of our customers got a lot of staff to go and deal with, and obviously want to multi-purpose some of those people. So we're trying to create user interfaces that make it a little bit easier to go and manage and onboard FIX customers. Also, I think in our principal business, which is formerly known as T-Bricks, again, we're trying to see a little bit more focus in going into some of the big tier 1 players, tier 2 players, who are probably coming to the end of life with in-house built technology solutions. And they're coming out of that, do I build, do I buy? And I think with our T-Bricks product, we're finally solving that with a buy and build solution that kind of creates a semi-finished product, if you like, that allows them to not have to build from scratch, but it's not off the shelf, and so it allows them to do some customization, give them a unique trading solution.
Sounds fantastic. And what are the main trends and themes influencing the electronic trading industry this year?
Certainly budgets. I think that's the one thing that we're starting to feel there, and that's never more present than seeing some of the cuts that we've seen in the industry just this year alone, and it continues over the last few years, and I'm pretty sure it'll continue over the next few years. So people really are looking and saying, how can they use the dollars that they've got in technology to better use? One of those trends that we're certainly feeling is a real push into hosted solutions. So I think the buy side has gone through this journey already, and they're probably all the way into cloud by now. We're a little laggard in the sell side space in capital markets, but as that move now away from big on-premise delivered enterprise solutions to more SaaS solutions on the sell side, that's a little bit of a trend at the moment. We're also, again, go back to one of my former points where I think we're seeing the use of principal and agency workflows. So people are really trying to work out, how do I use the capital that I've got to service my clients better? So rather than just passing through orders straight into the market, trying to deal with all sorts of fragmented liquidity, now what can I do in-house how can I enhance that, and who's got a technology solution to be able to assist me in doing it.
Fantastic. And so here we are at the EMEA Trading Conference. Are there any sessions or panels that you're looking forward to watching?
I'd love to tell you there's one on crypto, but I feel like we've done that one to death, so I'm probably going to avoid that one today. Look, as a British person working in the UK market, certainly Andrew Griffith this morning, the advisor to the Treasury, I think that was incredibly important for us to have him here. We really want to understand what does Brexit actually mean for our market, and as a technology provider into the UK market, how do I go and address my product to be part of that journey. This afternoon, I think there's one on onboarding vendors. I'm looking forward to listening to that.
Wonderful to chat to you, Ian. We wish you luck with the rest of the event.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.